Let's now go to stomach patterns. Let's discuss blood stasis in the stomach. This concept is caused by long-term spleen and stomach diseases, cold pathogen congestion, or chi stagnation, all of which lead to blood stasis in the epigastrium. The analysis for the newly acquired disease appears in the channel, and the chronic disease enters into the networks or collaterals. The key symptoms would be epigastric stabbing pain, purple tongue, and a choppy pulse. The clinical manifestations would be epigastric stabbing pain, which is fixed in one place, pain aggravated by pressure, and more severe after meals. Poor appetite, emaciation, hematemesis, vomiting which contains blood, hemophagia, blood in the stool, a dark purple tongue, and a choppy pulse. The analysis of blood stains in the stomach pattern. For long-term stomach diseases causing chi and blood stasis, when there is blood stasis in the epigastrium, causing blood stagnation in the stomach networks, results in epigastric stabbing pain. If there is static blood obstructing the epigastrium, failure of intake and digestion, there will be poor appetite. If static blood stagnates, so blood cannot circulate inside the vessels, it results in vomiting of blood and stools with blood. If it fails to nourish the skin and flesh, there will be emaciation. And also, if there's dark purple tongue and a choppy pulse, are manifestations of blood stasis. The blood stasis in the stomach, etiology, overconsumption of hot foods, smoking, overeating, or eating too quickly, emotional strain, prolonged anger, frustration, and resentment, and overwork. The underlying pathology would be stomach fire, retention of food in the stomach, liver chi invading the stomach. The signs and symptoms would be severe stabbing, epigastric pain, which is worse at night and worse for pressure, nausea and vomiting, vomiting blood, and blood in the stools. The pulse would be wiry, the tongue would be purple. The treatment principle would be to clear stasis, nourish blood, stimulate the descending of chi. The acupuncture treatment to be used are stomach 34, which harmonizes stomach, stomach 19 harmonizes middle burner, spleen 4 opens Chiang Mai, gallbladder 34 courses liver chi, bladder 17 clears stasis and quickens blood, Ren 11 harmonizes middle burner and regulates chi, stomach 21 transforms stagnation, Sanjiao 6 clears heat in the three burners, pericardium 6 with spleen 4 opens Chiang Mai, Ren 12 harmonizes the stomach, spleen 10 clears stasis and quickens blood, and we can use needle with drainage. Thank you for your attention.